of Kings!
Guys, the Kings with the crown. Pasa natin kay Odin para sa interview.
Congratulations, RRQ Kaito, the MDL Philippines Season 3 Grand Champion. Natuldukan na ng tagumpay ang inyong paglalakbay. And now, it's time to claim the MDL Philippines Championship Trophy. Time to claim the championship trophy. In 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, your MDL Philippines Season 3 champion, RRQ Kaito. And now, let's welcome Mr. Jab Escudero, Sibo Jan